Live streaming has become a popular avenue for content creators to engage with their audiences in real time and monetize their online presence. Here's a guide on how to make money through live streaming. Platform selection. Different platforms cater to various audiences and niches. Popular live streaming platforms include Twitch, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and Mixer. Choose a platform based on where your target audience hangs out and the type of content you plan to stream. Audience building. Consistency is crucial. Set a streaming schedule so viewers know when to tune in. Promote your live streams in advance on social media, email newsletters, or other platforms where you have a presence. Engage with your audience during streams. Respond to comments, answer questions, and create an interactive experience. Monetization methods, donations and tips. Platforms like Twitch have built-in systems, like bits on Twitch, for viewers to tip streamers. There are also third-party services like Streamlabs and Ko-Fi that facilitate direct donations. Subscription models. On platforms like Twitch, viewers can subscribe to your channel for a monthly fee, which provides them with benefits like exclusive emotes, ad-free viewing, and special chat privileges. Ad revenue. Once you meet certain requirements on platforms like Twitch and YouTube, you can start earning money from ads shown during your streams. Affiliate marketing. Promote products relevant to your audience and earn a commission on sales made through your referral link. Sponsored streams. Brands may pay you to promote their products or services during your live stream. Selling merchandise. If you have a significant following, you can sell branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and hats during your streams. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on one method. The most successful streamers diversify their income through a combination of donations, ad revenue, sponsorships, and more. Consider creating on-demand content on platforms like YouTube or Patreon, providing another source of income and drawing more viewers to your live streams. Enhance production quality. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and lighting to improve the visual and audio quality of your streams. Use streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs OBS to add overlays, animations, and other interactive features to your streams.